Two big names in tax filing. One pressing question. Which truly makes April easier for you? On the left, Jackson Hewitt, tax pros at your side online or in person. And on the right, FreeTaxUSA, the affordable DIY choice built for simplicity. Let's leave the marketing jargon behind and dive into what actually matters in 2025. Every category gets its own score, so by the end, you'll know exactly which option stands out. The final winner might just surprise you. Okay, quick blueprint before we dive in. Here's the game plan. We'll hit all the big stuff. Price, filing experience, support and assistance, features and forms supported, and who each is best for. Yep, that's a full rundown. Now, let's tackle these head to head. All right, first up, price. Jackson Hewitt basically does this thing where you pay a flat $25, and that's covering both your federal and state returns. No secret upsells lurking, which I love because, honestly, who has time for surprises at tax time? But here's the thing. There's no free tier, like, at all. If you want to file, you're paying that $25. Now, FreeTaxUSA jumps in and says, wait, why pay anything at all? $0 for federal? Pretty sweet start, right? And if you need to file state, it's just $14.99 per state. That's still way cheaper. They also toss in some neat upgrades. A deluxe add-on is like $7.99 if you want help, and audit defense is $19.99. So, if you're on a budget or filing simple returns, FreeTaxUSA is honestly crushing it for cost. So yeah, price winner? FreeTaxUSA. But hey, if you really need that in-person touch, Jackson Hewitt's flat rate might still be worth it for you. Let's roll into filing experience. And I gotta say, Jackson Hewitt's whole vibe is about simplicity. Their process is super straightforward. And no, they have legit thousands of locations. Like, you can just drop off your stuff at Walmart? I mean, what? If you want to file and peace out, drop-off or pickup is totally an option. Downside, if you're hoping for a remote expert review, nah, that's not their thing. Also, some tricky forms? You'll need to show up in person. And FreeTaxUSA, honestly, it's for the folks who live on their laptop. You get this clean, step-by-step online setup, and you can import old returns and W-2s. It doesn't care if your taxes get a little wild, no sudden bumps in price or missing features. But just so you know, there's no physical location, no cozy face-to-face. It's more like, here, you do you, but you can upgrade for help. So if you're all about online convenience, FreeTaxUSA is slick. Winner here? FreeTaxUSA takes it, just for making the whole thing ridiculously accessible online. Now, the biggie, support and assistance. Jackson Hewitt is kinda unbeatable if you want help. There are over 5,000 spots you can walk into, and yes, even Walmart. Plus, lifetime accuracy guarantee? That's not just marketing fluff. It matters. You get real-time customer service, too. Only hiccup? Their online support isn't nearly as beefy as, say, H&R Block. FreeTaxUSA, meanwhile, offers live chat if you shell out for deluxe, along with unlimited amendments. Audit defense is an extra $19.99. It's solid, but if you're sticking to the free lane, don't expect expert hand-holding. No phone support, no face-to-face, it's mostly DIY. So honestly, Jackson Hewitt flat out wins here. If you want to walk in, get help, and maybe chat with a tax pro, this is it. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Jackson Hewitt will pay you $100 if they can't get you the biggest refund possible. For real. I mean, do you see any other tax preparer making that kind of promise? That's some confidence. Moving on to features and forms. What's under the hood? Jackson Hewitt has all the mainstream forms covered. Regular stuff, some debt resolution, even tax problem support. Downside? Those gnarly, complicated forms? You might have to go in person. Online won't cut it. FreeTaxUSA, though, is surprisingly generous. Itemized deductions, self-employment, investments, rental income, they're included, even at the free tier. If you mess up, you can file unlimited amendments with Deluxe. But reminder, there's no totally free state option, and you only get live support if you upgrade. Honestly, both platforms are pretty stacked here, so I'm calling this a tie. Pick your poison, in-person plus some extras, or ultra-flexible online forms. Last, let's talk who these are best for. Jackson Hewitt is basically made for folks who've got wild tax returns, all the complicated stuff. Or, if you just want to sit down with someone in person, get audit support, all that comfort, this is your gig. For super basic or strict DIYers, probably overkill, gotta say. FreeTaxUSA is totally front row for simple to moderately complex returns. It's for the self-starters who want to get it done, save a ton, maybe poke the deluxe button for help. If you want expert hand-holding for wild tax situations, probably not. So, best for? I'm calling this a tie. You gotta know yourself on this one. All right, let's zoom out and see the scores. Jackson Hewitt, solid everywhere but price, and total support king. FreeTaxUSA wins on price and online experience. The radar chart really shows how these two play to their strengths. So where do I land? Jackson Hewitt is perfect if you want personal support on anything complicated, or just need that in-person reassurance. FreeTaxUSA, though, if you're a confident DIY filer and want to save cash, especially for online filing, it's honestly tough to beat for value in 2025. Was this helpful? If you dread tax season as much as I do, save this breakdown for next time. You'll thank